Yes, start. So far as that aspect is concerned, it has to be kept in view that an error apparent on the face of record must be such an error which must strike one on mere looking at the record and would not require any long drawn process of reasoning on points where there may conceivably be two opinions. Stop. We may usefully refer to the observations of this court in the case of Lakshmi Narayan versus Malika Arjun, AIR 1960 SC 137, 1961 SCR 890, wherein K.C. Das, speaking for the court, has made the following observations in connection with an error apparent on the face of the record. Stop. Passage. An error which has to be established by a long drawn process of reasoning on points where there may conceivably be two opinions and hardly be said to be an error apparent on the face of the record. Stop. Where an alleged error is far from self-evident, and if it can be established, it has to be established by lengthy and complicated arguments. Such an error cannot be cured by a writ of certiorari according to the rule governing the powers of the superior court to issue such a writ. Stop. Para. In the case of Haryana State Industrial Development Corporation Limited versus Mawasi within bracket 7 SCC 200, the Honorable Apex Court at Paras 28, 29 and 30 held as under the three-judge bench referred to the provisions of the Code of Civil Procedure, which was similar to Order 47 Rule 1 CPC, and observed. Stop. It is needless to emphasize that the scope of an application for review is much more restricted than that of an appeal. Stop. Under the provisions of the Code of Civil Procedure, which is similar in terms to Order 47 Rule 1 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, the Court of Review has only a limited jurisdiction circumscribed by the definitive limits fixed by the language used therein. Stanza. It may allow a review on three specified grounds, namely discovery of new and important matter or evidence which, after the exercise of due diligence, was not within the applicant's knowledge or could not be produced by him at the time when the decree was passed, mistake or error apparent on the face of the record, and for any other sufficient reason. Stop. It has been held by the Judicial Committee that the words any other sufficient reason must mean a reason sufficient on grounds at least analogous to those specified in the rule. Stop. This conclusion was reiterated by the Judicial Committee in Pratap Sahi versus Paranath, AIR 1934 PC 213, and was adopted by our federal court in Hari Pal versus Anath, AIR 1949 FC 106. Stop. The learned counsel appearing in support of this appeal recognizes the aforesaid limitations and submits that his case comes within the ground of mistake or error apparent on the face of the record or some ground analogous thereto. Para. In Fertilizer Industries Limited versus Government of Andhra Pradesh, AIR 1964 SC 1964 5 SCR 174, Another three-judge bench reiterated that the power of review is not analogous to the appellate power and observed AIR 1377 para 11 stop. A review is by no means an appeal in disguise, whereby an erroneous decision is reheard and corrected, but lies only for patent error stop. We do not consider that this furnishes a suitable occasion for dealing with this difference exhaustively or in any great detail, but it would suffice for us to say that where, without any elaborate argument, one could point to the error and say, here is a substantial point of law which stares one